Hello everyone. Just trying to figure out what this curious little ball of light is up in the sky. We've had about 3.5 days of rain straight, so finally a break, and now that I've got a little bit of sunlight, it's time to go on an adventure. And I'm gonna head up into Squamish and maybe up into Whistler today, and I thought I would take you guys with me. I'm going to be quite dark in this image, so I'll probably lighten this up in post, but I think really this is not about me so much as it is the scenery, which is absolutely stunning. As you can see right now, we've got those rays coming down through the clouds, which are just unbelievable. Pretty exciting stuff actually, but so I'm about halfway in between Horseshoe Bay and Squamish in British Columbia, and this video is really kind of all about me celebrating my permanent residency in Canada. Finally got that on Wednesday, and so phase 3 started here in British Columbia. They've started to open up a lot of the roads. I think Whistler is even, portions of it are open now, so I'm heading up that direction. I don't know if I'll make it all the way up to Whistler, but I wanted to shoot just a little quick video here. It's not a tutorial, it's not a, it's not anything really. I'm just trying to have a little conversation with everybody, kind of get you up to speed on what's going on in my life, and kind of show you a little bit of British Columbia along the way. So I've hiked up this crazy trail, which is pretty much straight up the mountain, it seems like, but hopefully everybody enjoys the view. I'm going to try to toss in some B-roll of some waterfalls that are on this trail. It's just absolutely stunning. I know that for those of you who are back in the States, today's the 4th, so happy Independence Day. I hope you enjoy, if you're even able to go outside. I know a lot of my friends and family back in Texas are kind of stuck inside probably. Now they're mandating masks and everything, which is unfortunate, but I think a necessary precaution, of course, but especially considering how much it's spread there. But wish everyone a happy day and happy Independence Day. Enjoy. Hopefully the fireworks are stunning wherever you're at. You can actually see them from your house. And I doubt I'll post this today, but I want to get some sunset shots this evening, so I'll toss those in here as well. And I hope everyone enjoys the video. It's going to be a little bit of a hodgepodge, but I hope you stay and enjoy.